next session on finite element analysis. In this session, we are going to discuss about the concept of serendipity in FEA. The concept of serendipity in FEA refers to the unexpected discovery or occurrence of valuable information or insights during the simulation process. Now, the word serendipity in English itself means an unexpected discovery or occurrence. So, when you have a certain information which you find during an simulation process, that would be called as serendipity in FEA. FEA is a numerical technique used to analyze the behavior of structures and systems under various conditions. Serendipity in this context can arise when unexpected findings or insights are gained while performing FEA simulations, leading to a better understanding of the problem or the potential for new discoveries. Unexpected results. Sometimes, while running simulations, engineers may encounter results that were not initially anticipated. These unexpected outcomes can lead to a deeper understanding of the structural behavior or uncover issues that were not apparent in the initial analysis. So, say you're doing a structural analysis and you were just looking for a particular value of result, but suddenly you discover some different result altogether which was not expected, but it is definitely something which has given a new viewpoint to your problem, then that is nothing but serendipity in structural analysis. Optimization opportunities. Serendipity can occur when unexpected configurations or parameters lead to improved performance or efficiency. Engineers may stumble upon design modifications that enhance the structural integrity or functionality of a component. So, say in case you figure out a particular design which you have modified and you get a particular result, then you would say that you have got some kind of serendipity while going through a optimization analysis. Identification of weaknesses. During the course of FEA, engineers may serendipitously discover weaknesses or vulnerabilities in a design that were not evident in the early stages. This insight can guide further refinements and improvements to the structure. So in case you figure out that there is some weakness, then also you can make changes to your design and you can get a better result. So this would also be termed as a serendipity in FEA. Innovative solutions. Serendipity can also play a role in the development of innovative solutions. Engineers may accidentally come across alternative approaches or materials that offer better performance, leading to novel design strategies. Serendipitous validation. In some cases, unexpected experimental or real world data may align with FEA results, providing a serendipitous validation of the simulation model. This can enhance confidence in the accuracy of the analysis and the predictive capabilities of the FEA tool. So, if you happen to figure out a result which matches with the theoretical result or some experimental result, then you would know that you have matched the two values and you know that your analysis is correct. Some key points from the session. While serendipity can be a valuable aspect of the engineering process, it's essential for engineers to maintain a systematic and rigorous approach to FEA. Systematic verification and validation processes are crucial to ensuring the reliability of simulation results. Serendipitous discoveries should be thoroughly investigated and validated to ensure that they are not the result of errors or artifacts in the analysis process. This is a very important line that you need to also know that at every stage, whatever results you've got, be it an innovative result or a weakness or some kind of different design modification that is possible, you need to know that whatever results you have got are correct and they are just not an artifact or it's not just the error of a particular result. So it's very important to be wise enough to analyze the result and interpret it properly. So with this, I end the session. I hope you have understood the concept. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session.